Is
Oh,
it
yeah, then
possible
we
to
could
get
do
like a
better.
sub 40 one?
What
A
the
sub 40?
fuck?
No.
No, 3-man.
No.
Hitting perma
Oh,
and
fuck,
2-man
what's
is a time loss, so I feel like a really early one is good.
How did I get up front?
Because he's stuck in the load zone.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I
don't-
wasn't stuck in the load zone. I thought my
3,
cat threw up on my
2,
foot.
1, go.
Nothing changes. Everything
Needs to be
dies.
Yeah, I got you.
And then switch after, and I'll go put flag down.
Light and dark have met
Alright, let's
in
try
the
that right now.
system before. Perhaps this time you'll change the outcome.
I'm a fuck. I don't have.
I wonder if Xenophage is gonna be good for next next raid.
Remember
Nah,
when I
Xenophage
wiped
is gonna be
us right
bad.
here? That was great.
What's
Don't
what?
worry, guys.
Like, get away.
Wait,
I
wait,
don't
wait,
trust
wait.
you.
You can use the swap with the red level. Look. It's
Yeah, I'm
really
sure you
shit,
can.
but you can do it.
Wait, so
Okay.
like, since I got DC'd,
Kill
since I saw the checkpoint that's flawless, will I get the flawless?
Hey, Dad, what's up?
No.
I fixed my
What the
computer
fuck?
Why would
problems.
Bungie count that?
Yo,
Or keep
what's
track?
it going? Mike, help me, please.
There.
If you
I
die,
guess
you're
that's
bad.
fine.
Give me a second.
Huh?
Guys kill Shanks.
Oh yeah, I don't know, because I was really mad about it.
Okay, Mike, you're free.
So no matter how hard I tried, no matter which monitor I made my main monitor, NVIDIA Shadowplay was recording the wrong monitor. And I had to change the orientation in which they were plugged in. Yeah, and that was a problem.
Computer. Put on
Computer.
your mic.
Get it.
This is so shit. Okay, get in.
You use computer,
Bottom
I
left.
use Alexa.
Computer is Alexa.
Did damage. Muska, Muska.
It's all dependent on missile RNG.
Can I do something stupid that might make it faster?
No. But yes.
Are you guys on tank?
Yeah, we're on tank.
Yeah.
Wait, do you know what caused this tank not to work?
Toland.
Wait, can I do
Colin.
3-man? Can I do
Shut
3-man?
up, Wonderboat! Mike,
I'm
help me
banking
kill
top
it,
left.
please!
Where are you?
4,
Oh, he's
5.
already there. He's already
wait,
fucking
shit.
there.
Bottom right. I'll go
Why-
box.
Do I need a tank?
Huh?
No, Mike has to.
Also,
Don't get hit by
we're already
fucking
doing a
missiles.
3-man. Me?
No, Mike!
What if he wants to get hit by missiles?
Okay, there we go. Oh, cool. Not letting me get back in. That's wild. Kind of pog, not gonna
Bro.
lie. Okay, get in.
You didn't see me get stuck on anything.
That was better.
Shoot, Bluey, how much attention do you need?
How was that a sub 50
The
start?
cat.
That was so bad. Left light. Yeah, but we got third, whatever it's called, like really late. Like we started it really late.
Alright, kill silver there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Sorry.
Give me a second, Moose. I've got
It's
a
faster if I get the other one, but I can never do
Where
it.
is it? It's over here.
Wait, what are you and Alex going for, Pig?
A record.
Two-man world record speeder on RTM.
Oh,
It's the easiest thing on fucking site.
I mean, you couldn't beat the one with me, though. You couldn't do that.
Yeah, we haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
can I do like one run with you guys and I can get a good time on my record?
I mean, we're busy. I'm gonna get left from boss.
Yeah, I
What's
need
world
to-
record right now?
Run me over.
Did you get one?
Letting me drive it, kind of pog.
What do you? Oh,
I think
What do you
we're
guys
getting
expect
good
to
box RNG right now, so can you hold on?
what do you guys expect to get?
Sub 10 is what we're going for. Sub 9 is premium.
You guys should go for a
I'm gonna
sub
get right from
6.
boss.
Sub 9 even possible, 2-man?
Okay, get in.
That's good.
Okay.
First try.
Dark.
Okay, I'm tractor cannon, dude. Fuck.
I'm gonna get this one over here so we don't get stuck
If
at like
you-
shit.
Tractor.
If you-
Can I tractor?
No.
Okay.
Is sub not even possible to me?
We all agreed that
Yeah, for
I'm
sure.
tractor already.
Slug swap.
You don't have armaments though. That's the issue.
I do.
Oh, you do?
Okay, I'm gonna get
Yeah.
behind boss.
Let me fix all my mods.
I got 2. That's a rip. Let's just run it. Too light. Oh wait. Oh shit. It's boss.
Here, wait.
So you guys
I'll be
have
right
both
back.
back.
Make sure I am safe.
Oh, I see the timing now for the hobgoblin taken. I think whatever you're talking about.
Are you watching my
Sorry.
Twitch stream?
Yeah.
Wait, Mike, do you doubt yourself in damage?
Oof.
Oh, it was boss. You guys are lucky.
Yeah, we knew it was boss from the get-go. Yeah, this is a good run. Everyone be quiet. We saved it. Yeah, we're good.
Wait, what's your this time?
525 exit.
Oh. How long does this take to slipstream?
Back.
Mike.
Yeah, well, I have a 0.5 second.
Is there like a hack where you can just teleport to the next encounter?
You guys won't believe me, but my fastest slipstream is also like 20 seconds.
I
Is
have
it
a-
actually don't pay you?
Moose was there for it.
I thought Alex's
My
was the
fastest was,
fastest slipstream.
Alex has the fastest slipstream out of all of us.
But not the fast. I think I did the fastest.
My
one.
Like my
Slipstream's gonna be
slipstream, like I can
horrible.
do the rolls and crap, but I can't. I just keep going straight down.
Wait,
So I think
Alex,
that
are
might
you
be good.
You're
confident in
dodging at the
damage?
wrong time.
Or not Alex. Fuck. Mike. How confident are you in yourself?
None of us are confident in
But I
damage.
wasn't. We
Mike.
literally just needed to do like 2 more whisper shots and he would have died. We're fine in there.
Oh my
Fine,
god.
Fine.
Oh, cool.
It's just be a bit more on top.
Oh, that's such a big time loss.
Why? Where are you
Call me,
going?
please. I got pulled too.
Keyboard's the one. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit.
What's your
Here.
time for you?
Okay.
I'm gonna turn everything
I'm-
up a little bit, actually.
Mike, ready?
Give me 1 second.
I'm putting double
I'll hit
special
flag.
ammo scav on my boots.
Nice.
Scuff
And a
sparrow launch. Good
concussive
though.
dampener.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Nope. I need to pull out my whisper.
Okay, you got
I
3.
honestly just want to get a sub 10. That's all I want. I
Light.
don't want a sub 9.
You're asking too much.
I know all these tracks except for
I'm ready.
6.
But can you do them? Like I know strats for other stuff, but I
Yeah.
can't do them.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I can do most of them.
It's not if you're pretty sure.
The
Have
only
you
one I
tried
can't,
them?
the only one I don't know if I can do is the one that's in cube with like pre-taken night spawn thing.
Bro, I just missed every single one of my shots.
So you guys,
Oh
You guys-
my god.
Yeah, clear comms for a sec.
We might need
If
to
we
comms.
do DPS really good, we
top
can get a
mid.
sub 9. Very unlikely, but
Top mid.
someone pull us into
I'll
another
just drag you
VC.
two. I'll drag you two.
yeah.
My grenade got chucked from glitched mouse buttons. Not on Rift either. It's fine. Go do Fellwinters. They're about to spawn. I'm waiting to Nova for the next one. Yeah, it's good. You can get the one in the middle. Okay. My grenades aren't being charged. You can get this one too. It's pretty easy.
Hey, some initiative.
You might be able to get the other one. He's really. Whatever. I'm low. How do I?
Yeah, look at here. I did the
Yeah, if I didn't throw that Luna factions, we could have gotten a sub 10, I think. If he's stun locked at least. Ooh. Sub 10. It's sub 10. We're all good. Yeah. 7 or 8.
Utilizing
949.
and dark to fight the
What I got.
Unfortunately, I just haven't.
Nice. Okay.
insufferable